Steady.
I'm delighted that the Omagh Protestant Boys Band has come to Savannah, Georgia.
A landmark event.
We're now at the 195th St. Patrick's Day Parade here in Savannah, Georgia.
Marching bands are at the heart of many communities in Northern Ireland, seeking to build respect and understanding of all cultures and traditions in the island of Ireland.
Really helping people in the United States and in this region to understand better the true diversity of heritage, culture and political perspective on the island of Ireland.
It symbolises a real willingness to understand more about Northern Irish identity. You can't get more authentic than this band.
The people here in Savannah welcomed them and cheered them on all through the whole parade route. They'll be able to take it back home to Northern Ireland.
The great sound of Ulster played here in the sultry streets of Savannah.
Participating in the St. Patrick's Day Parade is such a wonderful thing to bring people together, recognizing the common humanity and the common background that they share.
I don't think many people understand how deep the feeling is, appreciation for your coming.
Absolutely wonderful.
Amazing ambassadors for Northern Ireland, and it was great to see them on the streets of Savannah being so warmly welcomed.